Hi, I'm Marina and it's great to see you. Today I am so excited. We'll be trying out the brand new drop from Makeup by Mario, the Surreal Skin Foundation and the brand new F4 complexion brush. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Marina Mermaid Princess, on TikTok at Marina Makeup and on Twitter at Marina Louie 2. So guys, sorry so much about the shadow behind me. I'm still trying to figure out lighting in my new space, but I'm not going to let that stop me. I am so excited to be trying the brand new Surreal Skin Foundation by Makeup by Mario along with his F4 cosmetic brush. As soon as it dropped, I ran straight out, went to Sephora and picked up what I think is my winter shade. I went with the shade 140 and I got the new foundation brush to go with it. The Surreal Skin Foundation is available in 30 flexible shades, which means based on the video on the Makeup by Mario website with Mario applying it to a model, you can get between 2 to 3 shades that may work well with your skin tone. Now, the description says that Mario's foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity, featuring his new moisture grip technology, and the foundation hydrates skin for 12 hours and glides on easily for customizable coverage. You can layer it on or share it out. The buildable formula works harmoniously with powders and creams to create Mario's signature techniques while staying true to its original color. I'm so excited, you guys. Now for the unboxing, and here it is, Mario's brand new foundation. It's in a glass bottle. It feels weighty, doesn't feel cheap, and there is a pump to the top. The foundation is available at Sephora as well as Mario's website, and at Sephora it's 55 Canadian. Now, Mario's F4 brush, which he designed to work with the formula, dual-ended like most of his brushes are. It's made from vegan hairs. The brush is also available at Sephora for 40 Canadian. It feels really soft. I know that the smaller side is for a more concentrated, more controlled application, and the bigger side is for a more shared, I believe, application. Now, although Mario showed this on his website using the brush, I'm going to be doing one half of my face with the brush. I'm using the small control side. Depending on application, I may flip between the bigger side and the smaller side. And on the other side of my face, I'll be trying it out with a sponge. This is a Dominique Cosmetics makeup sponge. Now, for those of you wondering what's on my eyes, I'm using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Eyeshadow Palette. This was his holiday palette, limited edition. I think it's still available at Sephora. It's totally sold out on his website. So if you still want it, you can run out and get it at Sephora. Also, I see it on their website. And I'm using my favorite black, super black pencil from Mario as well on the eyes to create the eye look. I will be posting a quick video with that, a short, as we see here on YouTube. And for the green, it came from the Jeffree Blood Money palette. All the details will be in the short. I really want to focus on the complexion in this video. You guys, please let me know if you like that format or if you'd like to have everything in one video. Comment down below. I'll be starting off with one pump here on the palette. One pump, that's how much you get with one pump. And dipping the more controlled side of it into the palette and applying it with stippling motions onto the skin. Let's see. So this is what my skin looks like on both sides without the foundation. Now guys, usually when I test new complexion products, I always use a primer. That's a favorite of mine that I know works for me. Right now, I have been loving the Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow Primer. So I'll apply a bit of that to my face. I'll use the larger end of the brush to quickly get that onto my skin. I can't see. The brush is even softer on the face than I felt on my hand. So I love the texture of Mario's brush. This is the first time I've ever used one of his brushes. I figure since he made it specifically for the foundation, I might as well give it a test. Now, as you can see, I have the foundation applied on the smaller side of the brush, and we'll be going in with stippling motions. So far, guys, it looks very skin-like. I'm really happy with the application. And this is how much coverage I'm getting just from the first pump. So the first pump, it just did the bottom right half of my face. I'll be going in with the second pump and I'll let you know how much I get from that. Now, because I want to share it out a bit on my forehead, I'll be switching sides to the larger side and sharing it out. Now, as you guys can see, I have a slight blemish here and it's covering it up. That's really impressive. Guys, this is the side done with the brush and this is the side with nothing. So there is a huge difference. Now grabbing the Dominique Cosmetics blender and going in on the left side of my face. So this is as much as I have, starting at the nose and blending out. Guys, that was my second pump. I'm now going in with my third pump of the foundation. So this is the sponge side and this is the brush side. I think it applied well with both, so if you are a sponge person or a brush person, either way is fine. I love the coverage from both, it's completely even. And of course I'll just be grabbing the brush quickly using the bigger side just to bring it along my neck. We don't leave out our necks on this channel. So far I'm extremely impressed with the coverage. I mean, I don't see any, or I should say very little sign of blemishes on my face, and that's because I do have more blemishing on the left side of my face. So I see a tiny hint of it, but it's still amazingly covered, and I'm sure I can cover it. They're gone. Wow. And it looks like skin, just like he said it would. I am so far really impressed with it. Using my MAC Full Coverage Foundation palette. Now this is a must in my kit. Any MUEs out here watching this, this is such a lifesaver in your kit. I use this very often to mix shades for my clients if their perfect shade doesn't happen to be in here. I'll be contouring using these two shades, a mix of them up here. Although considering it's winter, I can probably be fine with just this one. So guys, as you can see, there's a tiny bit of the Mario foundation left on my palette. I'm going to mix it in along with the MAC to give myself the perfect contour shade. Now continuing with the brush on the right side. And of course, going back with the sponge on the left side. Now grabbing my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, I'll be setting my under eyes. First going in with a small amount of the powder, Charlotte Tilbury. And under the eyes, I'll be using the Dominique Cosmetics translucent powder, dipping in with a puff to bake. And I'll be setting the rest of my face with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Blondie. Also testing out today the new Positive Light by Rare Beauty Silky Touch highlighter in the shade Exhilarate. On the insides of the packaging it says "You are rare." I'm very excited about this one. This is my first Rare Beauty product I'm ever gonna try. Yes, I know, I'm kind of late to that one. Now grabbing my highlighter brush, giving it a little touch. Girl, I'm here for it. It really gives a nice soft glow. This is my current favorite lip liner, the Give Power to Get Real lip liner in the shade Do Whatever. I'll be putting a link for it down below. Yes, it's an affiliate link. You guys will also be getting a discount, so it's a little win-win. I'll quickly pop on my lashes off camera and I'll be back with my first check-in. Okay, hi guys. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours since I've applied the foundation. Now I've worn a hat. I haven't seen an extreme amount of transfer on my forehead where the hat would have touched because I went out and I came back in. As you can see, there is a bit of like shine here. This is with no blotting. I will be holding on to this foundation for about maybe another 2 hours and I'll check in again. Hi guys, so it's 8 hours later. I am so tired. I'm literally about to just wash all this makeup off, put my skincare on and go to bed. And I have to say, I'm just pulling my hair out of the way for you to see. I am completely in love with the new Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. It's worn beautifully. 8 hours later, both sides, both the brush side is F4 brush as well as the sponge side. So it works amazingly with both brushes and sponges. And I approve. I highly recommend it. And it may even make it into my kit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.